Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. For your daily relationship message, Leos, we are picking one card, guys. If you want a more detailed love reading, Leos, you can stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that will come right after this daily reading, Leos. So, with this card, the message for you all, guys, is that Spirit has a plan, and that plan is to place you in front of the right person at the right time. You have met or about to meet someone vitally important to your journey. Someone Spirit wants to bring into your life. Only divine forces can plan this meeting. It is out of your hands. Pay attention to the signs Spirit presents today, guys. So, that is a message, Leos, for your daily reading. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. If you want a more detailed love reading, Leos, you can stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So, this is your first deck, and this is your second deck. So, whichever pile you want to uh, choose, you can think about it, remain silent for a few seconds, think about the questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, and then close your eyes for a few seconds and open your eyes and choose the pile that comes to you first. So, that will answer the questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, guys. So, I will start with this first deck after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, now let's start with this first deck. I will keep this card aside. So, let's see what are the cards with this deck. I'll be picking 3 cards from this deck. So, this is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card. So I will open these cards now, guys. Let's see what are these cards. It's Six of Wands in reverse, Judgment in reverse, and Seven of Pentacles. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, in this connection, this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So right now you are in a position now, maybe you are thinking what should be your next action, plan of action in this relationship. Whether you want to take this relationship forward with engagement or marriage, or whether you want that break from them. So what is it? That is what you are doing now. Thinking deeply within yourself about your next plan, some important decision. Maybe you feel there are some things that needs to be worked on in this connection, maybe understanding with this person, that may act as some kind of weakness for this connection, or the way they behave, it may not be good, or some habits of theirs, maybe they have some addictions again, that may be a weakness working against this connection. So, in this connection, you are still having some kind of worries, apprehensions where this connection will go, where this relationship is going towards. So, maybe for some of you, you do not share that great understanding with them. So, some kind of doubts and confusions are there in this connection, guys, and it needs to be resolved if you want to work in a positive way. And maybe sometimes for some of you, things may turn a quick things may turn around quickly, so something positive may come forth in this connection. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this deck. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys. So, for those who have chosen this deck, we will see what is coming with this deck, guys. So, again, I'll be picking 3 cards for your relationship. Let's see what are the cards here. So, whatever questions you have in your mind about your situation, you can think about it, and I will turn these cards now. So, 7 of stars in reverse, 8 of moons in reverse, 6 of suns. So, with these cards, guys, in your situation today, this may be what your person feels about you or what you feel about your person. So, with this person, you are having sharing that um, beautiful relationship. You have love and understanding with them, and you want to start a family with them. Maybe for some of you, you are already engaged to get married, and you have plans for starting a family, having a child with them. So, some positive changes are happening in this connection. You are working towards a beautiful relationship, a positive working relationship. That is also what I see, guys. And maybe for some of you in this relationship, this person, for whatever mistakes they have done, they are sorry and they have apologized to you, maybe for some of you, and they have made amends, whatever is necessary. They have realized their mistakes, guys. So that is also what I see. Maybe they have listened to someone's advice or counsel, and they have come forward to mend this connection, guys. Or it may be your energy. You have taken up someone's advice and gone uh, towards this person with apology. You want to get back with them, make amends in this connection. So that is also what I see, guys. So some happy news is coming for y'all, guys. For those who have chosen this deck, this person is coming towards you with apology if you are in some kind of a separation, or if you are together, you are planning to get engaged, start a family, get married. So all things happy are coming forward. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen the second deck. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.